Hello everybody, this is Mustafa and today we will discuss about the 2:1 marks. In the previous lecture we just discussed the introduction about the multiplexers. As you all know that the multiplexers are the combinational circuits which are basically used in the digital design. Now what is this 2:1 multiplexer? It is the multiplexer in which there are two inputs and one output. And as you know that it routes a particular input to the output depending on the select line or the select variable, and the number of the select lines is given by the formula m is equal to log 2 n. Here m is the number of select lines and n is the number of inputs. So you can easily indicate or you calculate the number of select lines by using the formula m is equal to log 2 n. Here you can easily calculate now, because in the 2:1 marks there are the two inputs, so we can simply put n is equal to 2 here as it says two inputs. So let's calculate. So here m is the number of select lines and n is the number of inputs. So in the 2:1 marks we have two inputs, so we put 2 in place of n. So the log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1 obviously. So the number of select lines in 2:1 marks is equal to 1. That is this. It has two inputs, one select line which you already calculated by the formula m is equal to log 2 n, and one output. Now coming to the truth table of this 2:1 marks, when select line is 0, the input I0 is routed to the output, and select line is 1, the input I1 is routed to the output. From here you can easily calculate the equation for the y, that is output. That is y is equal to s bar and I0 plus s and I1. Why I here told you that s bar? Because here it is 0. When there is 0, it is represented by bar or complement. When it is 1, it is represented by the simple variable. Remember that when it is 0, you have to take the complement of that variable. That is, according to this, y is equal to s bar I0, that is s bar I0 plus s I1, that is s because it is 1 and I1. So on the basis of this equation you can easily draw the circuit diagram of this 2:1 marks. When there is bar in the circuit diagram, you have to take the complement, and you all know that the complement is taken by the NOT gate, so you will have to indicate the NOT gate, and this multiplication is indicated by AND gate, and this plus this summation term is indicated by the OR gate. That is, this is what the circuit diagram of this 2:1 marks. Here one AND gate gives you s bar I0, second AND gate will give you I1 and s, and this OR gate will give you the whole summation of the two multiplication terms. That is this y is equal to s bar I0 plus si1. So this is all about the 2:1 marks. So see you in the next one. Thank you.